Yo, what's up guys? I'm Eli Weaver and welcome to a new video. I'm just cruising on my bike right now. I know it's been forever since I filmed. I've honestly just been slacking. But now I'm gonna probably warm up on some flat. You know, I got new bushings and my board is feeling kind of weird. I actually got new trucks as well, and I'm not really a fan of like skating new stuff. It's kind of like, it's hard to break in for me, but I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm just gonna try to warm up and do the tricks that I love to do. Look at all that. Look at everyone. There's so many people. Alright, I'm all done warming up. Landed some tricks. Didn't even really land that much tricks, to be honest. What you don't know about today is like, it's extremely windy. Like, even popping tricks like a nollie heel or a tray flip, even a kick flip, it's extremely difficult. I feel like it's like windy around the whole world today. I don't know. But yeah, now that I'm all done with my warm up, I'm just probably gonna go to the skate park and just see what I can do. And yeah, just meet up with some homies. The nollie heel was like really hard for me. That probably took 20 to 30 tries. Like, I suck at nollie heels. I don't know about you guys. Leave a comment if you like nollie heels, but personally, I am terrible at them. And the thing that I think is so cool about nollie heels is like, I'll see Channel Neil do them, and he levels them out, and the way he places his feet is so good. It's like so buttery. And the thing is, when I try it, it doesn't really turn out like that. It just kind of is nasty, but I mean, I guess I landed it. But yeah, all done with the warm-up. Let's go skate somewhere else. Yo, I'm here at Hudson Skatepark. I'm finally here, dude. Let's do this. And it's extremely dead. It's like there's like 4 people here. But anyways, let's skate. We have like an hour. Let's do this.